Zaneil Williams now tells us that as the East Bank of Berbice Road project continues, street lamps will be installed in the coming weeks.
Resident engineer Joel Tucker, who is overseeing the $1.2 billion road rehabilitation project, explained that street lamps will be installed from Stanleytown all the way to Everton Village, covering some 5.5 kilometers of road.
The relocation of utilities is ongoing, commencing, I believe, at the first week in March. GWI is currently on the ground working. We expect GT&T and GPL to be on the ground very shortly. The installation of road lighting is about 90% complete. All the poles have been installed. All the fixtures for the lights are in place. We only await the electrification and the placement of the lamps for this project to be completed.
Minister within the Ministry of Public Infrastructure, Annette Ferguson, conducted a first-hand assessment of the road project on Monday, April 30th. 400 meters out of the 5 kilometers of road has been completed with asphalt. Works have been completed in Glasgow, Edinburgh, and Islington. The minister also highlighted some other aspects of the project.
We will be doing some culverts, 2 culverts with and 3 bridges, concrete reinforced bridges. So as I said before, the works are moving apace.
Some residents said that the project has ensured their commute is now hassle-free.
I feel great about this. For a long time we've been waiting for this and we're finally having it.
It's been very difficult for the longest while for commuters to use this road, whether motor vehicle, estate lorry, or people, passengers, human being in the whole. In Region 6 here, I can see a lot of changes concerning building of the roads.
From Edinburgh, East Bank of Berbice, Zaneil Williams for InfoHub.